Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkans. Well, if you're thinking of growing some of your own 5 a day on your balcony, on your patio, or indeed outside on your decking, then I can highly recommend the Veggie Bag. This is the large size Veggie Bag from Horkans. It stands roughly about 80 centimeters in height. It's approximately 60 centimeters in diameter, and it gives you plenty of capacity to grow particularly hungrier crops like new potatoes, or indeed a wide range of salad crops, salad leaves in particular, the cut and come, onions, and it's also very suitable for kitchen herbs and indeed root crops like carrots, parsnips, beetroot and radish will all grow really well in the Veggie Bag. The bag itself is made from special EnviroMesh material, which means first of all it will keep off any pests like carrot root fly, caterpillars and aphids away from your plants. So it really makes it very easy for you to grow your 5 a day in an organic fashion. The material is also breathable, so it will allow a certain amount of air into the plants, keeping them cool in the summer, but also keeping the heavy rain and heavy wind off the plants, so it cuts down on that wind chill. It also comes with a zippable top, so it simply just zips up, and that will stop any excessive rain getting in, but also any cats or dogs that might be around the area. So it protects your edible plants, it helps them to grow faster, up to 50% faster than planting them outside, and it's really suitable for growing new potatoes. Now, when growing new potatoes with the Veggie Bag, here are my tips. First of all, you need to get a good quality compost, so a multi-purpose compost. Boardamona do a really good one. To that, I would add some of the Vitex Q4 fertilizer. This is a very well balanced fertilizer for all edible plants, not just potatoes. It's suitable for all herbs, salads and indeed root crops. So put about a handful of that through your compost. Place a 6-inch layer of compost in the base of the Veggie Bag. Plant up then 6 or 7 tubers of your favourite potatoes. So varieties like Vitabella, Cara, varieties like Rose Lily, all of those are Foxton, do really well in the Veggie Bag. So a layer of compost, a layer of tubers, 6 or 7 tubers, another layer of compost with some of the Vitex Q4 mixed through, another layer of tubers, and finally top it off up to this level here with a fresh layer of compost. You simply water the contents, so water the compost well, zip up the bag and leave it sitting on your patio. The potatoes will start to grow, the mesh material will protect them during the growing season, and then in early summer you simply open up the bag, slip in your hand and take whatever tubers you want, allowing the rest to grow on. Do remember that the Veggie Bag can be used 12 months a year to grow your favourite 5 a day, including herbs, a wide range of kitchen herbs, salad leaves and root crops, right through the 12-month period. So if you want to grow your 5 a day on your patio, balcony, or indeed outside in your decking, then I can highly recommend the Veggie Bag. It comes in 2 sizes. This is the large size, which is suitable for the more vigorous and bulkier crops, but indeed with the smaller size is perfect for some salad leaves, maybe some scallions or indeed some herbs. You can get your Veggie Bag here at Horkans.ie for home delivery. Bye for now and stay gardening.